Frisbees on Thanksgiving Day. And we've never filmed this. I can't believe we've never filmed this, but we haven't. So we're going to do it today. And we're gonna do our turkey, and we're doing it on our Masterbuilt 560 gravity feed charcoal grill.
That's a mouthful.
But just to let you know what I did with this turkey is I used a dry brine. It's basically similar to a wet brine in that it's very salt heavy, but you can put it on the night before. And I like it better than my wet brine simply because I don't need to get a cooler out and mix up a wet brine and stick it in the cooler and find a place to put it, yada, yada, yada. So anyways, this I just put on 24 hours ahead of time. This is one that I just purchased recently off of Amazon. And then you put it all over. It's like a tablespoon per pound. And you put it on the night before. You put it on a platter, or I put mine on a grate. And then you stick it back in the fridge. And you leave it on for 24 hours. Then you just wipe it off. You don't want to get that skin wet again. So, and then what I like to do is to add a little bit more flavor to it, is I stuff it with apples, oranges, and onions. Yes. And then I finish it with an herb butter. So it's just a bunch of herbs from the garden, a stick of butter, and a little bit of orange peel.
Little Acorn Farm. And who do we have visiting in the background? Our lovely daughter, Serena, has come to visit.
Serena. She's doing homework, poor thing, on Thanksgiving Day.
Well, that's okay. Get on it. All right, folks, we will be back when the turkey's ready to go on the grill. Hey, guys. Welcome back. So we are about to start the grill. And as Beth had said, this is the Masterbuilt Gravity Feed 560 charcoal grill. And this is what we do our turkey on. Never filmed it before. I can't believe that we never did that. But today you're getting a special treat because it is Thanksgiving with the Frisbees. So what I'm going to do, I've got my bin loaded with charcoal. I did a combination then of apple wood and hickory wood chunks. So I put some down in the bottom, and then I put more charcoal, and then I put some more kind of halfway through. Since this is going to take about 3.5 hours, I put another layer somewhere at the top so another round of smoke will come through. I'm going to go ahead, I've got it all set up. Let me go ahead and light this. Let me take my hat off for a second so I don't get it messed up.
What kind of charcoal are you using?
I am using Kingsford. That is the only charcoal to use. Any other charcoal, you just ain't grilling. So that is lit. We're going to wait for this to start smoking. We'll be back when we put the turkey on.
And welcome back, guys. Okay, it's been an hour. We've taken the temperature up to 325, and we're gonna take our first look at her and see if he or she needs a little tendering. Oh!
Well, looky there.
That's awful pretty.
Beautiful.
So it's going exactly how I expected it would. I'm just slightly concerned because I can't see the back part of that. It's not that high.
It's not.
Oh, looks good.
Yep, looks good back there. Looks good here.
So,
I'm choking on the smoke.
There's plenty of smoke. We'll go ahead and close that back up.
So not ready for tenting?
Not ready for tenting, no need. The skin's getting nice and crispy. It's browning up perfectly. So we'll check him again in an hour.
We'll be back. Hey everybody, it is time to check the turkey. Let me see. I go to my trusty meter. And there's Bentley and Bella. We are 3 hours into this, and it says that we have 58 minutes left. So let's go ahead and check it. Safety first. Let's pull this foil off. And, oh, well, how nice is that? I think we're doing okay. There's no burning.
Looks amazing.
We tented the top to make sure that the top didn't burn. It looks amazing to me. It says we have 58 minutes left. I trust the meter. Let's keep going.
Yay.
It looks good. Let's come back in an hour. We'll show you the end result. Hey everybody, and here we are. Here is the final product. Cooking with the Frisbees. Here we go.
Let's see.
What we got? The meter says she is ready. We're gonna pull this foil off.
Look at that bronze.
Oh, she's looking beautiful. Here we go. There's only one way to do this, and it's by hand. And here we are. Oh,
Oh my gosh.
look at that. Is that beautiful? So, there we have it, guys. Cooking with the Frisbees. Turkey on the Masterbuilt gravity feed 560 charcoal grill. She looks beautiful. The meter says she's ready to come off. We'll give it a rest for about 20 minutes and we'll slice it up. Hey everybody, so here we are. You saw it come off the grill. I've had a couple of drinks, so we're all good, but now we are moving into the carve mode. Is this one beautiful bird or is it not? So, you don't have to watch the whole carve, but I just want to show you something. I want to show you how juicy this is. Is that, look at that. Is that not one beautiful bird?
Yeah.
Steam's coming off of it. She's juicy. I want to thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to click to subscribe. Cooking with the Frisbees. Thanksgiving with the Frisbees. Happy holidays, guys. Enjoy your turkey. We'll see you next time.